How to allow message requests from everyone on Instagram. So first of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Sign in to your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. On the settings and activity page, scroll down. Locate the section of how others can interact with you and select Messages and Story Replies option. Tap Message Controls. Select Others on Instagram. And tap Message Request option and turn and allow message requests from everyone on Instagram. Either if someone has not followed you on Instagram, they can easily DM you on Instagram and send a message request on Instagram. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech and tips videos, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.